Leslie Boriak, and skincare is my business. I actually had met Carrie years ago at a No Excuses conference in Vegas, and I've been following her for a while. So when they developed Beach Boss Influencers, I knew that's the way I wanted to go. I needed more foundation work, more groundwork before some of the other things I had learned, so that's why I chose them. My main struggle was probably finding the right people to connect with. Finding them online, I really didn't know how to do that. I was still using my warm market, and that wasn't working. My biggest takeaway was working on mindset, which I knew I needed to work on, but there were a lot of things that we learned to get over those limitations and beliefs that we put on ourselves so that we can move forward. I decided to join because I wanted to build my business even faster than it's going right now, and I wanted more hands-on learning from the bosses, maybe a smaller community so that I could learn their methods better. I respect the beach bosses a lot, and I know that they have the experience and the wisdom that they can share with me so that I can build my business even better and stronger. I would recommend the beach bosses to any struggling network marketer because they start at the very beginning and they have a lot of support in some of the other coaches also, and in their Facebook groups. You're always able to ask questions. You can, call in on a coaching call and get some more information. So you're never alone, and I feel that it's just step by step without leaving any holes. I really enjoyed this workshop more than some other conferences I've been to. One, because the size, it was much smaller, and so it was intimate, and I could hear the other people speaking when they were asking questions. We had a lot of table sharing time, working with each other, trying to help our peers also, besides gaining wisdom from our presenters. And then, we also had a lot of fun together. We put on our 80s costumes and danced to music I haven't heard in many years, and just had a great time together.